And this question says that the diagram shows a solid metal cylinder. Okay, now we're told that a cylinder has base radius of 2x and height of 9x. Now the cylinder is melted down and made into a sphere of radius r. They were now told to find an expression of r in terms of x. Now this is a topic that we'll call comparison of volume. Now what comparison of volume is all about is we'll compare the volume of one object to the volume of another. Okay, this is object A and this is object B. We'll find the volume of this and compare it or equate it to the volume of the second one. Okay, for example, if it's volume of a cuboid, volume of a cuboid is x cubed. Okay, or length times width times height. Okay, or length cubed. We'll now be asked to compare it to the volume of a cuboid, which is length times width times height. Okay, now to do this, after finding the volume of this one, you compare it to this one. Okay, and maybe find a parameter or find a given length that was not given before. Okay, so now for this question, we're told to compare this volume of a cylinder and volume of a sphere, because we are told that a cylinder was melted down and made into a sphere. Okay, so we're comparing volume of cylinder and volume of sphere. So first of all, we have to ask ourselves, what's the volume of a cylinder and what's the volume of sphere? Okay, now volume of a cylinder is given by pi r squared h. Okay, and then volume of sphere is given by 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, now we're going to compare this to this. So first of all, let's find the volume of this cylinder. The r is given as 2x and the h is given as 9x. So we have pi times 2x squared times 9x. Okay, now which is going to give us pi times 4, 2 squared is 4, x squared times x squared times 9x. Okay, now this will give us 36 pi x cubed. Okay, now we're now going to equate it to this now. Okay, 4/3 pi r cubed, since this was poured into this. Okay, now pi here cancels, dividing both sides by pi, we have over pi. Pi will cancel pi and pi will cancel pi, so we have 4/3 r cubed equal to 36 x cubed. Okay, now multiplying both sides by 3, you have 4r cubed is equal to 36 times 3x cubed. Okay, then dividing both sides by 4, you have divided by 4 divided by 4, you have r cubed will be, this into this is 9, 27x cubed. Remember, we're asked to express r in terms of x, so we have to find the cube root of this and cube root of this side too. Cube root of this side will be r equal to cube root of this. Remember, 27 is the same thing as 3 cubed x cubed. Okay, this is the same thing as this, so cube root of this is going to be 3x. So expressing r in terms of x is r equal to 3x. Okay, remember, the most basic thing now that they are asking for is comparison of volume. They are comparing volume of one shape and volume of the other, and they're now asking you to express something in terms of another thing. So that's what comparison of volume is all about. It could come with cone and cylinder, it could come with cone and cuboid and things like that. So once you know the formula for finding the volume of one and you compare it to the formula for finding the volume of the other, you'll be able to get anything you're asked.